Bo, heel. Bo, sit. Sit. Yes, sit. Good. Thank you. Oops, sit. Lost it. Good boy. Good. Bo, heel. Stay close. I know it's crazy with all those dogs. Good boy. Yes, yes, yes. Good, Bo. Sit. Good. Let's rotate. Good. Sit. Good. Bo. Sit. Good boy. And that's no line, no e-collar. Yes, I have some treats because we have a lot of distractions with all these guys all around. Bobo, down, down, all the way. Thank you. Stay. So I just throw in some other little work here and there. Focus heel, downstays. Everyone's playing all around him. Oh goodness, he laid on Knox's leash. That's okay. Good job. Stay down. Very good, Bo. Good job, Bo. Come back. I know. It was hard when you felt that leash. Come on. Bobo, right here. This is where we started it. Good job. Sit. Good. And down. Very nice. So I'm not mad at him. I just go back and fix it up. Stay. We have all these dogs running around. It's good for them. Very good. Hi, Marty. Bo, come. Yes. Sit. Very good boy. I love you. Oh, there's the chin scratches. Good boy. Hi, handsome Cozy. You're not in a down, silly boy. You just hear the word down and you go. You still have grass on your nose. You silly boys. Let's go. Knox. Good boy. All the way. You can do it. You're getting whacked with the tail. Lily, too much. So I'm going to tell her that's inappropriate to be barking. And that was cell phone vibration. That's all that was. Hi. She can play without doing barking. Lily, come. Good. And sit. Very good girl. Yes. And then Miss Hazel always butts in on it. Good. Funny puppies. Well, hello, handsome. Hi. Good. Nice. Okay. Happy dogs. Thank you. Good boy. That's what we want. Good, Hazel. Lily, that's really good. Not too much. Almost. You're getting better. You need to play some more and practice. You get too much, silly girl. It's cool to see dogs being dogs, learning how to do it in a safe, sane, responsible way. Oh, no, don't pee. Oh my goodness, Lord. Good, Lily. Really good choice. Good job. Yes. Hello. Did you get peed on? I'm not sure. I think you might have. Good, Lily. Very good. Bo, let's go. This way. Good. Cozy, this way. Good. My happy boys. Yes. Well, hi. Universal sign of welcome. Hi, buddy. That was too much. You're correct. Thanks for checking. Okay.